Hey beauties, it's Daisy here, and today we have this gorgeous loose wave wig. I'm going to tell you all about it and show you how I styled it, so make sure you stay tuned. Today's hair is from Ishow hair. I also want to show you guys the lace. You know how I do. The lace looks flawless, straight out the box. These waves are amazing, and you guys are going to see once I wash it and install the wig, it still looks like it came straight out the box. Now, before I install the wig, I like to put it on, let you guys see how the lace looks. It is on the lighter side, but it's gonna work. It's still transparent, and I plucked the wig really good. I kind of did like little slits. Doing that helps make the wig look more natural, and then when you cut it, you kind of go in zigzag motions. So it looks good. I just have some little white marks on here from my mannequin. I got a lot going on. But we are gonna play this. You're not even gonna be able to tell once I'm done. So let's cut this lace. I'm just gonna put a thin layer of Got to Be Glued on my hairline. Well, really my forehead, because we ain't trying to put it on the hairline, but I got a little extra hairs, so I might get on there, but I'm just gonna do a thin layer and lay this wig. Now, it's okay if you put a little extra glue. I always do, because I hate going in and filling in all the parts. I still do, but it's just really tedious. But you can always just wipe it off. That's the good thing about Got to Be Glued. Water just makes the wig come right off. So I'm gonna let this scarf sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna come back, lay this bad boy to my makeup, and we'll be done. So it's laid. I did do an extra layer of Got to Be Glued around here. So what I'm gonna do is just go run to the bathroom real quick and just wipe off the excess glue. I removed most of the glue. Now I'm just going to do this hairline. You gotta be really careful you don't burn yourself. Trust me, I have burned myself a few times and it was not a good feeling. Even if you just tap your forehead, it's gonna hurt. So, but I'm pretty much a pro with this, or close to it, so I am going pretty fast. So now I'm just gonna take my scarf, put it back on, just so I can make sure this hairline does not get messed up while I am wetting the hair. It's not gonna look exactly like this when we're finished, but we want it to not be perfect. All right, so this is the hair completely dry. And I think I got like 22 or 24 inches. It's really long. So I got my water bottle mixed with conditioner, Fruit Garnier conditioner. I can get the water out. I hate these little things sometimes. Okay, there we go. So yes, preferably use warm water. Hey baby. Mommy about to get right. Hey, my baby girl in the background, she just hyped. She's just so cute and smiling. Hey, baby. So yeah, just keep wetting the hair. And you don't want to wear your good shirt when you're doing this. you want to change after or whatever your outfit is. That's why I got this big old white shirt on, because your shirt is definitely gonna be wet. So I want a middle part, so you want to do your parting spaces once your hair is wet. And you can comb back some of the extra hairs in the front. Just kind of want them to be a little wild. Just comb them side to side. So I'm gonna take some of this Fruit Garnier curl treatment. And I'm gonna rub it through my fingers and place it all throughout the hair. Right? What'd she say? Here's the final look once my makeup and the hair is air dried. As I said before, these waves are beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.